Hey friends, welcome to yet another unboxing. Today I'm checking out the Teckin Smart Power Strip. Now this is powered by, or you can control it with your phone or Amazon Alexa or Google Home. And it features 4 plugins and 4 USB plugins as well. Let me naturally I just cut my fingernail so it's hard to get in here. There we go. Alright. Let's see what we have here, my friends. So it's got voice control. You can set timers, 8 outlets, Wi-Fi connection, app control, battery protection. So a bunch of cool features there. Let's get this box open, shall we? Okay. Alright, so in the box we have some instructions. Those will come in handy when I'm setting it up with Alexa. Oh, okay. And that's it for the box right there. So we have that, and that's just the power cord wrapped up in there. I always like to see how long the power cord is because sometimes they make them too short and it's not good. I'd rather have longer than shorter. Oh boy, can I get this twist tie off of there? Really twisted on there, good. My goodness, okay. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, it's almost a 6-foot cord there, so that's good. So first impressions, I like the color. It seems to be well built. Little power button there. The outlets have plenty of room. If you have a thicker outlet to plug it in, that is shouldn't impede any other plug-in. Sometimes you have a bulky plug-in, and if these are real close together, it's going to get in the way, so you can only use like 3 of the outlets maybe. So that's kind of nice. I like the little USB things there. Just kind of a sleek, cool looking design. It does have little rubber pads here on the bottom, so if you set it down on your desk there, it's not going to slip around, so that's kind of neat. Let's see here. It does have a 3-prong cord with the ground there is good, and USB rated. Okay. It doesn't have any little, sometimes these have holes in them where you can like mount them on a wall or something if you want to, but that's not really a big deal. I don't really mount my power strips on the wall or anything. I'll probably just set this down behind the TV or something. So yeah, it's kind of cool. I'm pretty excited to get this thing all set up, and we'll be doing a review later. As always, you can grab this off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. This one runs about 28 bucks. So thanks for watching this unboxing, and this is kind of small and compact, so I kind of like that. Anyways, I will be doing a product review soon, showing you how to hook it up and working it with Amazon and stuff like that. So thanks for watching this unboxing video, my friends, and we'll be out with another video shortly. See you next time.